This is the main passenger elevator at Q Smart Self Storage. Originally Sears at Penn Center in Wilkins Township, Pennsylvania. This is a Vertical Express thyssenkrupp installed by Hadfield with traditional Atoll. Notice there's 3 on the indicator, but 1 on the braille. Down on the bottom floor, there's no braille, so I don't know what's 1, I haven't been to 2. 1, call wreck, interior go down. Whoa. Two and 1 are only short distance. Here at 1. I think this replaced a Schindler MT 300A from 1995, and I think that replaced an Otis freight. Black buttons. Back up to 3. 88 phone. That's a Hadfield. No, they didn't label it. Of course not. It's a basic blue pad. It's a basic blue padded cab. I think it's just stainless steel underneath the padding now. Oh, I kind of unhooked it. It's hooked on again. Back at 3. You can tell it's Vertical Express by the indicator, and it says Hadfield on records. Normally Vertical Express here installed by Industrial Commercial. This one's Hadfield according to records. It's kind of interesting. And that's going to be it.